Money market. The concept of money market is very important from economy point of view. So what is this money market? So we have already heard about different kind of markets like vegetable market, like fish market. So we know that in the vegetable markets, vegetables are sold. It may be brinjal, it may be onion, etc. The fish market, different varieties of fish are sold. Then what is traded or what is sold in the money market? So as the name itself indicates, here money is traded, money is sold. So when money is sold or money is traded in the money market, it is for temporary period. So very important point to note. So money is traded for a temporary period. So what is the temporary period? For a maximum tenure of 1 year. Maximum tenure of 1 year. So next the question is, why do we require this money market? Why do we require this money market? And before that, can an individual like us can we participate in the money market? No, we cannot participate in the money market. And who can participate in the money market? So I have included few examples. For example, State Bank of India. State Bank of India can participate in the money market. Corporation Bank of India can participate in the money market. A private sector bank like ICICI can participate in the money market. And financial institution like LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, can participate in money market. And private company like Infosys can participate in a money market. Money market. Now, when does a need arise wherein what this money market is required? So I'll create an imaginary situation. So let us assume here SBI. Okay, SBI is there. Here we have Corporation Bank. Now, how does a bank work? So in the bank, people will deposit their amount. People will deposit their amount, and this deposited amount is lent by the bank to others. Okay, so it will lend loan. It will lend loan. So SBI will take money. Okay, it will take money, that is deposit. Deposits it will receive, and it will lend. Here it will lend the loan. Lend. Now we have seen that it will receive deposit and it will lend loan. Lend loan. Now normally when the bank is running, so some of the depositors will come for withdrawal every day. Okay, every day. But all of a sudden on one single day, if majority of the depositors in SBI, if they come to withdraw the amount. So SBI does not have sufficient fund because SBI has already given loan. Okay, SBI has already given loan. And if SBI asks the customers, okay, today we do not have money, you can please come tomorrow. So if such kind of statement is made by SBI, then the customers will lose confidence on SBI. They start thinking that SBI does not have the money which we have deposited. So the faith on SBI will come down. So this should not happen. So what SBI will do? So temporarily it will take a loan from the money market. Okay, from the money market. So in money market, who all will participate? Corporation Bank, ICICI Bank, LIC, Infosys, all will participate. So whoso have extra money, for let us assume here Corporation Bank has extra money. So what the Corporation Bank will do? So SBI will go and ask Corporation Bank, if you have extra money, please give us in the form of a loan, we'll pay you the interest. So if Corporation Bank has extra money, what the Corporation Bank will do? It will give loan to SBI. Loan to SBI, and it will earn interest. Now Corporation Bank, when it gives loan to SBI for a short term, okay, this happens through money market. So now the loan which the Corporation Bank has given to SBI for a temporary period, so this happens through what? Money market, and this process itself we call it as money market operation. Okay, money market operation. So very important point to note. So here we have taken that Corporation Bank will give loan to SBI. Not necessarily. Here even ICICI Bank can give loan to SBI. LIC can give loan to SBI. Similarly, SBI, Infosys can give loan to what? SBI. So here, okay. Now today this is the scenario of SBI. Now next some other day, the Corporation Bank may face the same problem. At that time, SBI will lend loan to Corporation Bank. So these operations will be happening on a day-to-day basis. So this trading of money, we call it as money market. And when this money is being traded or money is being lent, okay, so this is being lent for a maximum tenure of 1 year. A very important point to note. When money is being given in the form of a loan, it is for a maximum duration of 1 year. So this is the importance of money market. So in money market, we cannot give loan to the other entity for more than 1 year. It will be for a period of less than 1 year. Internally, the money market has been again divided into 3 categories. So first category we call it as call money market or overnight market. The second category we call it as notice money market, and the third category we call it as term money market. It's equally important for us to understand the difference between these markets. Okay? All the three, they are money markets, but what is the difference? Now when I say call money market, then the tenor of the transaction is 1 working day. What does it mean? Now as a example, we assume that corporation bank will give loan to SBI. So when corporation bank will give loan to SBI under the call money market, then it will give loan for just one single day. Okay, one single day. The transaction is for only one single day. Very important point to note. Now coming to notice money market, here also let us assume corporation bank will lend loan to SBI for a period which ranges from 2 days to 14 days. Okay. So if SBI wants loan for 2 days, it will give it. If it wants loan for 3 days, 4 days, up to 14 days. Okay. From 2 days to 14 days, when the corporation bank use money to SBI, it happens through notice money market. Okay. Very important point to note. Now next, if the term of loan is for more than 15 days and up to 1 year, then in such cases, whatever the corporation bank, the amount it gives to SBI, it gives under which market? In which market? Term money market. Term money market. There also, this is also very important point to note. So we discussed about 3 different types of money market. One is call money market for overnight, notice money market for 2 to 14 days, and term money market for 15 days. Okay, 15 days to 1 year. Okay, 1 year. Now here, when I took participating entities, I have mentioned about SBI, ICICI, Corporation Bank, LIC, Infosys. Now there are some exceptions wherein some of the entities cannot participate. For example, Infosys, a private company, cannot always participate in the money market. Only in the few scenarios it can participate. In which scenario it can participate, in which scenario it cannot participate, all these discussions will be happening in the upcoming discussions. Okay. Here at the superficial level, we shall understand that money market is lending of money for a tenure of less than 1 year, and internally it consists of 3 different markets which you have already seen. That is call money market, notice money market, and term money market. So this concept of money market which we discussed is a very important topic from exam point of view.